Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, we're going to be unboxing this 1929 Ford Roadster. It was a gift from my sister-in-law this past year for Christmas. And I'm pretty excited about getting into this box and seeing this vehicle. I did have this as a kid. I built it, and who knows? I have no idea. I probably crushed it or something. It's a monogram kit. It's I believe this is an older kit. It's got a copyright in 1974. Maybe the one I had I picked up at a tag sale or something. But this is a really nice vintage kit. Sorry about that. I had a little bit of an interruption. So this is model kit number 7555. We'll get it opened up here. So it's got a nice box illustration. Got the wood panels on the side here. It's yellow and black. I'll probably do some sort of blue and tan combination is what I'm thinking. Gives you some photos of what you can build. It's got a really nice set of tires with it. Pretty impressed with that. I don't know if you can see the tread or not. It comes with a tan top and tan interior seats. There's a small little bucket seat, bucket interior. And you got your sides. And molded in yellow. You got your glass, your headlights. All right there, side glass. The little piece that goes in the back. A lot of chrome. So you got suspension. You got exhaust. I believe front and rear axle, if I'm looking at it correctly. Your steps, which say Ford. Looks like the cylinder heads and valve covers are all molded together, which is fine. And this is your headlight bar and assembly. Nice. I love these rims. Front bumper, your rims. I'm guessing inner rims, but I don't know for sure. Your dash and your window frame, manifolds or headers, probably your steering wheel, belt and pulley assembly. A lot of chrome on this. I'm gonna have to do some dechroming. Got some decals that say early genuine iron. And you got some plates here. You got Illinois, California, and New York. New York's in the middle. You got California over here, and Illinois is over here. You got your instruction manual. There we go. Nice picture of the vehicles you can build. I guess this is a 1/24th scale. Got some information about the car or the truck. Pretty simple instruction manual. And there's your rear box assembly. Like a color key here. And we'll get right into those parts. Double bag. This is double bag. That is bright. You got your frame, your engine halves and transmission halves, firewall, top of your hood, your tailgate, your truck, box, radiator. It's like radiator hoses, I'm guessing. You got your lower part of your fenders, or all of your fenders. The rear end assembly. The cab itself. Your truck box looks like it's got some wood grain. I don't know if you can see it. It's got some wood grain down in there. So that'll conclude out this video. I want to thank everyone who's followed along, everyone who's subscribed. Y'all are making my channel a success, which is very helpful. If you have anything you want to say, leave it in the comments down below. Until we see each other again, everybody out there be safe. Everybody be blessed.